Warning, your safety tether just snapped. A chunk of space junk slams your way, and you get launched clean out. Your hands claw wild through the vacuum, but there is nothing to grab. You look down. The moon is right in front of you. That gray-white surface keeps rushing closer, bigger and bigger. You fire the emergency thrusters to slow down. Still way too fast. Your boots slam into the moon dust, and your whole body bounces up. Then you faceplant hard, then drift up again. Gravity here is only 1/6 of Earth. You kick off once, and shoot 2 meters into the air. You steady yourself, and stand up. Then you look up and freeze. Earth is hanging in that pitch black sky. So blue it does not look real. Small enough to cover with one thumb. And there is nothing around it. Nothing holding it up. No background. Just bottomless black. So black you cannot tell if it is sky or an abyss. Just that one bright, hanging there all alone. You instinctively grab the recorder on your chest, trying to snap a picture. But the second you aim the lens, your hand stops. Something suddenly catches in your throat. That blue marble holds 8 billion people. Everyone you love. Everyone you hate. Every hot headline you ever scrolled past. Every takeout meal you ever ordered. And with one finger, you can block all of it out. You stand there, and suddenly, it does not feel like you got bigger. It feels like you shattered completely. So tiny that tiny is not even the word. Astronauts call this the overview effect. When you look back at Earth from that far away, something you cannot explain just hits you. Hard heartbreak. Okay, staring is over now. You still need to survive. You start walking along the rim of the crater. Every step you take, the moon dust gives way like flour, and those footprints will stay here forever. The moon has no wind and no rain. That footprint from over 50 years ago still looks brand new. You look down at your own tracks and just feel kind of dazed. You're taking a walk on a world dead for 4.5 billion years. You look up for the sun. You find it, but the sky is all black. No blue sky, no clouds. The sun is just pinned inside pure darkness. Because the blue sky comes from air scattering sunlight. There is no air here, so even daytime looks like night. Right while you are standing there stunned, a streak of light cuts over your head. You recognize it. It is Orion from Artemis II, carrying 4 people around the moon, gliding over you in total silence, like a star that knows how to turn. You wave at it. Of course, nobody can see you. The thrusters have one last bit of fuel left. You crouch down and kick off, using low moon gravity to spring up, then fire at the top, and blast yourself back to orbital height. The station slowly goes from a grain of rice back to a metal box, and that dull clunk when the dock locks is the best sound you have ever heard. You collapse inside the cabin and look back at the moon through the window. Still just as gray, just as quiet, like none of that ever happened. But a little farther out, Earth is still hanging in that bottomless black, small and blue, all alone, wrapped in an atmosphere so thin it scares you. You used to think it was big enough to hold everything. Now you know, it is the only lamp still glowing in the dark. And the fact that you get to go back is the luckiest break of all.